In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to Mailchimp. We'll use an automation platform to bridge the two, so your contacts or emails from Outlook can automatically feed into your Mailchimp audience. This saves time, reduces manual entry, and keeps your marketing list fresh. First, sign into your preferred automation platform, or create an account if you're new. Once you're in, start a new automation, often called creating a zap or a workflow. This opens a blank flow where you'll define what starts the automation and what happens next. Set your trigger to Microsoft Outlook. Choose the event that makes sense for your goals, such as new contact if you want to add people as they're saved in Outlook, or new email if you're tracking messages. Connect your Outlook account when prompted by authorizing access, then run a quick trigger test. The platform should pull in a recent contact or email as sample data. If it doesn't, add a test contact in Outlook or pick a recent email so you have something to work with. Next, define your action using Mailchimp. Select Mailchimp as the action app and choose what you want to happen. Add update subscriber is great for keeping your list current, while add to list or segment is helpful if you're maintaining specific groups. Connect your Mailchimp account and select the audience you want to use. If you rely on segments, pick the appropriate one here so new entries land in the right place. Now map your fields. Match the Outlook email field to the Mailchimp email address field. Then map name fields, such as first name and last name, to their corresponding Mailchimp fields. If you use additional fields in Mailchimp, like company or phone, map those too, as long as Outlook provides the data. Make sure all required Mailchimp fields are filled to avoid errors. Fill the options for your action. Typical choices include the subscriber status, whether to update existing subscribers, double opt-in preferences, tags to help with organization, and the list or segment settings. Choose the options that align with your compliance and list management practices. Finally, test and activate. Run a full test so the platform sends your sample through to Mailchimp. Check your Mailchimp audience to confirm the new or updated subscriber appears as expected. When everything looks good, turn on your workflow so it runs automatically going forward. That's it, your Outlook to Mailchimp connection is live and working for you. Thanks for watching.